Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm working here on this 2000 Toyota Tacoma two-wheel drive, and being around it I realize this is a prime perfect example why Toyota is so successful in producing cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. This truck is 18 years old. It has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer, and it's my friend's, and it's theirs like fifth car. That means it's not being pampered, right? It's not being the center of attention. It's basically just sitting somewhere until it's needed to hold something, then it's being used and put away again. And inspecting this truck, it basically, the truck triggered me to make this video of 5 reasons why to buy a used Toyota. Because I'm inspecting a lot of stuff and I can't believe, despite all of that I stated, how in great condition this truck is. So let's go on with the reason number 1, and that is that Toyotas were built with extreme high quality and extremely great design. Look at this truck. This is not being maintained. It's sitting somewhere. Everything is perfectly in its place. Nothing is deteriorating. Everything works with that basically non-existent maintenance, right? The only oil on entire truck is present here because somebody spilled it. It's someone did that. There are no leaks whatsoever. To show you the proof of it, let me hop underneath the truck. So starting from the front, look at it. It's absolutely no leaks. Nothing is failing, missing. It's absolutely perfect. And the only oil, again, will be from me, of course, making the engine oil change. Look at the transmission and look all the way back. There's a minimum or non-existent corrosion, right? Everything is simple in its place. This is absolutely perfect. I love it. And that was just the engine and underneath the vehicle, right? It has a great design. It still looks pretty good. No broken handles, right? Not missing mirrors. Everything works despite this truck is not getting much attention, right? But it's still very, very nice. Basically, timeless design. Reason number 2 for buying used Toyota is their famous reliability. They are known for being extremely reliable if you take care or good care of them or not, right? You can see that. This truck is not here for repairs, it's just for oil change, and as a favor to my friends, I'm going through it and performing a bunch of inspections to give them idea about the health of the truck, but that's the whole thing. I'm looking on everything and everything is just perfect. There's no work for me. Here we go, reason number 3. And for me, the reason number 3 is that they are extremely easy to work on and maintain. Look how everything is easy, accessible in this engine bay, right? Everything is where you expect it. AC ports right here, very easy, right? To check the engine air filter, super easy. MUF sensor, you want to clean it? Boom, just pull it out. It's right there. Power steering, right? Even that engine oil, dipstick, everything is perfectly accessible. It makes logical sense. And if you're just looking at all this, you kind of understand what is what. Reason number 4, extremely affordable and accessible spare parts. It's a huge aftermarket supplying business, or you can buy, of course, Toyota OEM parts, and even these are relatively okay in most of cases. I will give one example. I recently owned one European brand. I had play in one of the lower control arms in the front, and the cheapest control arm I could find in USA here was $900. There was no way around it. I couldn't buy the bushings, press them out. I had to buy the entire part. That was my option. I guarantee you this will not happen to you with Toyota. No way. And last but not least, the reason number 5 why is such a great idea to buy used Toyota car, truck, van or SUV. The value of these vehicles is absolutely incredible. I will tell you interesting story which happened basically in Maui, Hawaii, where I lived in the past. I had a friends, they had Tacomas only, right? And one of them needed newer Tacoma. So she bought a used Tacoma. I don't know, it was year 2002 or 4 or 6. She was driving it for 4 years, and she was able to sell it for exactly same price as she bought it 4 years ago. Talk about incredible value as a used vehicle. And I can see that a lot of people is aware of this, and that's why it's so difficult to find used Toyotas on the USA market, right? The value keeps high, the prices are not dropping, and people definitely keep them. I'm sure it will be same with this one. It's not for sale, and it won't be for a long time. So my friend, I hope you enjoyed this simple video. And please make sure you leave the comments below this video so we can all together share our individual experience. Make sure you are subscribed also, because I will have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day.